Hi, in this video, I'll be doing a feature demonstration of CloudAz Policy Studio dashboard widget configurations. I'll be showing you how to enable each Policy Studio widgets and what does each widget displays. Here are some key features of Policy Studio dashboard widgets: customizable dashboard for relevant data, comprehensive data overview, and enhanced user experience. In my Policy Studio, I currently only have 3 widgets enabled: the policy control and ICENets status, and the recent activity widget. Let's first disable all our widgets. Go to System Administration, click on System, then go to the top right corner and click on Advanced Configuration. With Advanced Configuration enabled, click on General. Scroll down until you see Console Dashboard Configuration. I select my current active widgets, click on Save. Let's go back to our Policy Studio, and this is what it looks like with no widgets active. Now let's go back to my System Administration and re-enable all the widgets this time. Currently, I have none of the widgets enabled. Let's enable them all and do a comparison. Click on Save. And this is with all our widgets enabled. On our right-hand side, we have our recent activities widget, which can be filtered by the activities. We can select all, or create, or modify, or delete. Let's select on create, and we'll see all the recent activities on creating. Let's go back to all. The policy widgets displays the total number of created policies, how many are deployed, how many are deactivated, and how many are drafts. The policy controller and ICENets status displays the current policy controller status and the current ICENets status. On the most evaluated policy, we can adjust the audit activity to allow, deny, or both, and a time range from the last 7 days to the last 90 days. Similarly, most active in user can be adjusted to allow, deny, or both, and also from 7 days to 90 days. Policy activity log widgets display the number of policies that got triggered in the last 24 hours, and we can also click on this line to mark specific points. Top policy tags display the most frequently used tags of all time. And lastly, the enrollment will display the latest enrollment with its type, status, and last sync date. With this, we conclude our video on CloudAz Policy Studio Dashboard Widget Overview. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more CloudAz featured videos.